You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words that are important but confusing in English. Pretty straightforward once you know. The top word is pronounced as a sheet. You need to make a long E sound, okay? It's important, otherwise it's a bad word if it's a short E. Sheet. The bottom word is an animal, a sheep, with a P sound at the end. You need to put your lips together for the P. P. Sheep. Sheep. Can you hear the P sound? The top word is sheet. You make a T sound with your tongue on your palate. So top word, sheet, as in the sheet on a bed or a sheet of paper. And the bottom word is a sheep. Sheet, sheep. Could you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce them correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.